In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on the icon of it at the top. Select Open in pop-up view and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. You can even reshape it the same way. To minimize it, tap on Home button, and to access it again, click on the bubble. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, click on blue line at the top and use all of those. You can close it thanks to this X. Use your app in full screen view by clicking on those arrows. Minimize it. So sorry, misclick. Minimize it by clicking on this icon of a line. It will work the same way as hitting Home button. And then tapping on the bubble to access it. Lastly, you can even click on this icon here and switch from pop-up view to split screen view by clicking on it, tapping on the second app, and enjoy using both at once. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!